So that's where I've come from, and that's where I need to go. Oh my gosh, I don't think I thought this one out very well. I swear on Google Maps it looked like there was more water. Ah, Google Maps. All right, let's keep rolling. Oh, there we go. All right, hey there guys, welcome back to Haight's Wanderings. Hopefully this is gonna be a good video. I am on a full day send in my kayak right now, right here. I am 1 hour into my trip. I'm about 100 yards downriver, caught I think 9 fish, and I just realized this river is actually about the size of a creek. So I am thinking that I'm gonna have a very long day ahead of me, but you know what, this is scouting. We're gonna see what happens. There are some fish in this river. It might just be a little bit of a chore to get to them. New stretch of water today. It's late summer, maybe early fall. The leaves are starting to change, but I think we're gonna get them. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Stick with it. Drone shots, fish, kayak shenanigans. It's coming at you right now. All right, guys, let's go get on them. All right, so this is what I got myself into. I'm so glad I don't have the raft with me today. That would have been absolutely killer. Could not have done this in the raft. But we got the kayak, so let's go get them. Salvation. We're almost there, guys. I guarantee there's fish in that pool, because they sure as heck didn't go up this. We're almost there. Ah. Yeah, Oh, it was a largemouth. What the? What was that? Whoa. Whoa. Wow, they're biting hard today. Holy smokes. Wow. Wow, they are biting hard today. Holy smokes, you guys see that? Ooh. Let's hope this is a bass. Whoa. That might be a bass. Or, yeah. It's a largemouth. Wow. I was not expecting to catch largemouth today. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's weird. I never catch largemouth. Thank you for biting. Hey there. Wow. Oh, there we go. What is that? What is this? It's pike. Small one too. No. Okay. It's a good way to get that off. That's our 6th fish of the morning. Wow. Wasn't really expecting to do that well, but okay. No complaints here. That's an aggressive pike right there. Oh, shoot. And here we are getting to our first beaver dam of the day. And this one's fairly significant. This is a fairly significant dam right here. It's not hard to get by with a kayak, but still, it's fairly significant. All right. Well, wow, look at that. It's crazy shallow. What? Alright guys, that is the river that I'm going down. Are you kidding me? What is that, like 10 cubic feet per second moving through there? There's no water. There's just no water. Wow. Alright, so I'll keep that in the background just so you guys can see how crazy pants this is. It's our mid-morning update, which actually it's 1 a.m. in the afternoon. It should be the mid-morning update. I should be halfway through the trip right now. I don't even know if I'm a quarter of the way through the trip. I'm gonna wait for that wind to die so you guys can hear me. Alright, hopefully the wind isn't too bad and you guys can actually hear me. Long morning. I think we're up to 14 fish though. Smallmouth, largemouth, pike, and creek chub. But the fish are small, and the river is tiny. Oh my gosh, it's a creek. So there's that. I'm gonna eat lunch, and then I'm gonna keep pulling, because I've been pulling for like hours now, miles of this stuff. Woo! Oh, this is starting to look real thick and real nasty. Oh, okay. Well, we're out here. We gotta get through it. Seriously? What's this? Seriously? Not trout fishing today.
Whoa! Check it out. It's the biggest creek chub I've caught this year. Wow. Look at the mouth on that son of a gun. Sorry, little guy. Wow. That's pretty cool. I don't know if I've ever had a creek chub just smack a lure like that. The first fish we've caught in a long time. Thank you for biting. It's like feels like it's been 3 hours since I've had a bite. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. Oh, there we go. Look at that. First smallmouth, decent smallmouth of the day. Thank you for biting. Beautiful fish. Gosh, I love smallmouth. So much fun. There we go. That was pretty cool. Not a bad pike right there. Boat side 8. That's pretty cool.
It has been a very long day. This is the afternoon update. I'm up to 15 fish, and this river is really bizarre. I mean, at one point today, I swear there was probably less than 10 cubic feet per second of water flowing. It was crazy, crazy shallow and narrow. And at this point, it's more of like a meandering river that I'm in right now. The fishing hasn't turned on, even though I'm in deeper water. This water should hold fish. I'm not getting any bites. It was weird. I got more fish up in this super, super shallow stuff. But we're having fun. I don't even know if I'm halfway yet. Might get home in the dark. I might have to start busting butt here. But I probably won't ever do this again. But that's okay. That's what scouting is. Sometimes you got to check it out. I had this crazy idea that maybe I'd bring my raft through this. Absolutely no way. This is, you can't even bring a kayak through this, let alone a raft. So it is so pretty out here, as you guys can see, but just not as fishy as I was hoping. All right, guys, let's keep going. Maybe we'll get some more fish. Maybe we won't. Who knows? All right, guys. So it appears the fish have won today. I think I'm calling it. I'm about a mile from the takeout, but I have not caught a fish in forever. I'm at 15 fish today. Pike, smallmouth, largemouth, and creek chubs. So it's been a great day. It's been a great day. It's just the I don't know where they're at right now. I caught a lot of fish early on in like the first hour or two, but then since then, sun's been out. It's been high sun. Maybe that's to have it doing something. I don't really know. Um, I don't usually fish this late into the season, so maybe my tactics are a little rusty right now. I'm not entirely sure. But I've had a wonderful day and so very happy to get outside. Um, it's beautiful, it's warm, and soon we're going to have ice and snow and cold. So I hope you guys, had a good time coming with me on this adventure. I have so much content that I will be editing and putting on the YouTube this fall, this winter. So I don't know when this is going to get up there, but I hope you guys enjoy it. As always, catch, release, wander. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, please leave a message down below. I really enjoy interacting with you guys. All right. That being said, I think it's time to roll.